In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see everybody in Google Meet grid view. If you've ever felt like you were missing out on seeing all your colleagues or friends in a video meeting, this guide is here to help. It can be especially handy in large meetings where the default view can often leave out several participants. Thankfully, changing your Google Meet layout to grid view is a straightforward process, and I'm here to walk you through it. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Google Meet. The quickest way to do this is by typing Google Meet into your web browser's search bar, or entering the URL directly if you already know it. This will take you to the Google Meet homepage, where you can either join an existing meeting or start a new one. For this demonstration, we're going to proceed with creating a new meeting. Once you're on the homepage, look for the New Meeting button. It's your gateway to starting a fresh video call. Click on it, and this will give you a few options to set up your meeting. Since we want to get this going quickly, select Start an Instant Meeting. This option is perfect if you need to get everyone together without any formal scheduling. Now that you have your meeting room ready, you're almost set. At the bottom right corner of the screen, you'll notice a button with 3 vertical dots. This is your More Options button, and it's your next step. Clicking on this will open a menu with various choices you can make to customize your meeting settings and options. Within this menu, find and select Change Layout. This feature allows you to alter how you view participants during the meeting. It's here that you can switch to the grid view, which is designed to display multiple participants equally across your screen. This view is particularly useful in ensuring that you can see and engage with everyone, helping meetings feel more inclusive and interactive. Select the layout that suits your needs, but for a true grid view experience, choose the option labeled Tiled. This will configure your screen to display as many participants as possible in equal-sized windows. Keep in mind that the number of people you can see at once may depend on your device's screen size and resolution, so it might vary. That's it. You're now set up to see everyone in your Google Meet. Whether for work, study, or just catching up with friends, having everyone visible can make a significant difference in your virtual interactions. Remember, you can always revisit these steps if you need to adjust your layout again. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your meetings in grid view.